Hi guys! So in today's video, I decided that I'm gonna show you how I shoot 2 weeks worth of Instagram content in one day. This is a technique that many content creators use when they are shooting their content. It's called batch shooting content. Now, what does this mean? Content creators pick one day of their week where they focus only on shooting content. Batch shooting content makes it so much easier for us influencers keeping up with our posting schedules. So today, me and my sister Melina, we're gonna show you how exactly we prepare for this day and basically the whole process.
So now I'm going to get ready, so bye for now.
So before we get started, I wanted to say thank you to the sponsor of this video, which is Ana Luisa. For those who don't know, Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry company, and they have the most elegant and unique pieces you'll ever find. You guys are absolutely gonna love how fun they are and what their brand stands for. First of all, they use 100% recycling gold and sterling silver in their products, which means that they highly value sustainability in their company. I personally wear a lot of jewelry and high quality is really important to me. And knowing all that about Ana Luisa makes me more willing to pay a little bit more for high quality pieces to add to my collection. So Ana Luisa has jewelry starting at $39, ranging up to higher priced products. But lucky for you, I have a special discount code which you can use on Ana Luisa's website. Now, let me show you what I mean. So I am really happy that Ana Luisa's jewelry come in this small box. And as you can see, their packaging is made of 100% recycled paper. Now, what I really love about their packaging is that every piece of jewelry comes in this special bag. And Ana Luisa was kind enough to send me 3 pieces of jewelry to try out today. Today about jewelry, and now it's time to actually start the content creation day. So before we get started, we have packed a bag of 3 outfits for each one of us. So now we're ready to take you guys with us. So now we're ready to take you guys along with us. So it's a little bit windy and it's so awkward because we are dressed like that and we're carrying so many things and people are looking at us and it's just weird. So this is our first location and the entrance is over there. So today is really disappointing because we arrived at our first destination and they didn't let us shoot there. So we took the bus and we arrived downtown, and I don't know why, but all the roads are closed because of the police. And it's really sad because we don't know where to go. Our goal for today was to shoot content with a white background, and all the places that we went today have white backgrounds, but unfortunately we're not allowed to go there today. So I guess we are going to reschedule for another day, our content creation day. Yeah. Hello again. So today is the next day and we're giving our content creation day one more shot. But this time I'm gonna be doing this with my mom because today is my sister's first day of school back, so she will not be able to help me today. So as I've mentioned in the beginning of this video, today is a day where I prepare a bunch of outfits and I go create content, which will last me approximately for 2 weeks. And now I'm gonna take you guys along with me and I'm gonna show you some behind the scenes of how this whole process is done. And when we come back, I will show you how I edit my photos and how I plan my content for the next 2 weeks. Hello guys! So me and my mom, we are ready to go. Yay! So for our first location, I think I'm gonna sit over there with the white background and the view of the sea. Probably gonna order some drinks and it's gonna be really cute. Finished taking pictures for the first outfit and now I'm gonna go change into my second outfit and we'll see where my next location will be. I just changed the top because I'm too lazy to change the jeans, and now I'm gonna go search for a second location. Now it's my mom's turn to take pictures and she is changing her shoes and we're probably gonna shoot somewhere here. Look at this view. So for our third location, we wanted to shoot over here behind me, but they are kicking us out because apparently we're not allowed to take pictures in this area. So that's sad. So we have spent almost 4 hours shooting content with my mom, and now we are going back home and we're probably gonna have lunch and then I'll start editing all the content that I have. So we got home, I just had lunch, and now it's time to start editing the photos. What I like to do after a content creation day is to sit down for 2-3 hours, depends on how much I need, and go through all my pictures, select the ones I like, and edit them the same day, so I have them ready for the whole week. What I'm gonna do right now, I will screen record everything that I do on my phone and I will show it to you somewhere probably from this side of the screen, and I will walk you through the whole process. I think I forgot to mention that I usually post every other day, so I might post on Monday and then I'll post again on Wednesday. So now I'm gonna start the screen recording on my phone and I will show you what I do. So first of all, I go to the camera roll and this is all the content that we shoot today. So what I like to do when I select all my favorite photos is that I go through each one of them and I put a heart to the ones that I like. And also, I don't like keeping all the pictures on my phone because it just takes a lot of storage. So I delete the ones that are not with a heart, if that makes sense. So now I'm gonna take a minute and select the ones that I like, and after that I will show you how I actually edit them. So today we shot around 350 photos and I just deleted 200 of them. So let's see what we have. Okay, right now what I'm gonna do is that I am going to select all the pictures with the heart and I'm going to edit them in the app called Lightroom. For those who don't know, Lightroom is a free editing app, and I have also created some Lightroom presets which I sell on my website for very cheap, so you should definitely go check that out. I have it linked in the description. Okay, from what I see, I have 77 good pictures, but obviously I will not be able to post all of them. So this is what I usually do. I go through all my pictures and I select the ones that are not that bad, and then from those I'm going to select again the ones that I absolutely love and I'm probably gonna post. And right now I'm gonna go to Lightroom, where I have imported all the pictures that I like, and I'm gonna start editing them and I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so here's the photo and we're gonna go to presets because that is what I always use when I edit my photos. As I said, I have created my own Lightroom presets and I have created a bunch of them. I have a few packs and a few single ones. They are all super affordable, so you should definitely go check them out. Okay, so for fall season, I don't really like to edit my pictures a lot. I would normally use the Be Bright Lightroom preset, which is super natural. It just gives a little bit more brightness and a pop of color. Right now, from what I see on this picture, the preset looks nice, so I don't have to make any changes. And as you see, editing with Lightroom presets, it's so easy and so fast to do. It saves me so much time. And what I'm gonna do next is that I am going to copy this exact preset and I'm going to paste it on the next photo. I'm gonna do the same thing for the rest of the pictures. So that's basically how I edit all my photos, super fast, super easy. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save all of my pictures, and now I'm gonna use another app called Unum. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but here it is. This is the app where I plan my feed. It is free and it's so convenient because it helps you preview your feed, and I absolutely love that. Okay, so I'm in the app right now and I'm going to select the picture that I'm gonna put as a first picture of the carousel, if that makes sense, and I will add it on this little feed. Alright, as you can see, I have added 7 pictures, which means 7 posts, and right now I'm going to plan on how I want them to look. And I will do that by just dragging the photo to wherever I want it to be. Okay, so this is the final result. I really like it. My feed is going to look so clean and so bright. And right now the final step is to come up with captions for each photo and post it. I usually write the caption for each post before posting it, so I'm not gonna do anything right now. And that is basically the whole process of batch shooting content for Instagram. If you guys have any questions or future video ideas, make sure to comment them down below. Also, before closing this video, I wanted to mention that I have written an influencing course. It's basically like an ebook where I have selected all my favorite tips and tricks, and I am guiding you step by step on what you need to do in order to grow your account on different social media and how to become an influencer and start reaching to brands, working with brands. I'm literally guiding you throughout everything you're ever gonna need. So if you want to check that out, it's also linked in the description. So that was all I had to share with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. And I will see you all in the next video.